how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I'm taking you to my Dollar Tree, a special spring edition for wreath makers and DIYers. I'm gonna share with you what's still worth getting there at the new increased price. I knew Dollar Tree was gonna raise the prices, but still it was very sad to see when it finally happened. So let me show you what's still good deals and must-haves, okay? If you like this video, please press thumbs up and also consider subscribing. That way you won't miss any of my future videos, fun DIYs on the budget coming up, okay? Let's get started.
So as I walked in and I saw the new sign, it really hit me and made me a little bit sad because it's kind of like an end of an era of this spontaneous shopping. You know what I mean? It made me think twice before putting certain things in my basket. So that's probably a good thing. Let's see what new they have. As usual, we're gonna start off with my favorite section, the signs. And oh my goodness, I'm so impressed as usual. Dollar Tree has been upping their game with the signs every single season. Look at all of this. My favorite has to be this one. You know my obsession with the black and white buffalo check. And it doesn't look like a Dollar Tree sign at all. It is framed and it's just so perfect, beautiful. They had it also in two other colors, baby blue and baby pink. Beautiful, all of them. They look like something you would get at Kirkland's. As a matter of fact, compatible sign would be $14 even on clearance. So amazing value at a Dollar Tree. And I know my besties, little truck lovers, are looking at the blue truck. How amazing is that with the carrots in the back? You know, compatible signs are over $20 at Kirkland's, so $1.25 at the Dollar Tree is a steal. So we definitely know that this section is still worth buying. Let me share with you a few other new signs that I wind up getting. How about this one? Faith. Gorgeous. They had all different words. This one I got because of the color combination. You know I love teal and peach. Can you see it in this wreath, for example? I think it's a perfect backdrop for that sign. Another favorite is this large sign. You know, normally I don't redo the signs because I love the way they design them, but the fact that it's a picket fence, it just makes me think of possibilities, DIYs. Compatible picket fence sign on Amazon is $40. Probably better quality, but still, how amazing is it to get that for $1.25? Another gem is this long welcome sign. I just love the nomis and the pastels. And it's a large sign. A sign of that size at Michael's is $15. I know it's probably better quality, but still, this is just great for $1.25. And I already hang it in my kitchen. I love looking at these signs before I put them in any of my wreaths or DIYs. I know I always get too many, but I couldn't resist these eggs. You get two for the price of one, and look at them. They're really nice quality. I love the plank look, and of course the pastel colors. They could be used in so many designs. Definitely worth getting. Wire reforms is another favorite category from the Dollar Tree. I'm always very excited to see what new forms they come up with. And I love that you come to my channel to see how to use these forms. There's a lot of YouTubers out there, but it seems like whenever a new form comes out, people come and ask me, Kathy, what are we going to do with that? So I'm very flattered. Thank you. So the wire reforms at Hobby Lobby or Walmart are double and triple the price. So $1.25, it's a great deal at the Dollar Tree. Plus, we get a bigger variety. New this year are the bunny head and egg form. I'm very excited. I just made the egg wreath for you, and I'm so happy that so many of you love that video, and it keeps climbing, so that's wonderful. And I cannot wait to make over the bunny head next. I already have some creative ideas for you. Back this year is the cross wreath form. It is still one of my most popular tutorials, besides the pumpkin wreath, of course. And I love that because it's near and dear to my heart, so I'm just so happy that you like it just as much. Brand new this year are also these bamboo rings. I think we can come up with some creative idea. You get two for the price of one, so definitely worth it. And I think we're going to come up with something creative. Get them when you see them. Flower aisle is another one that I never skip. You can find some gems there sometimes. I don't see anything new this season so far. The amaranthus, the drooping flower, I've been using for a while. This used to be a great deal, but now it's worse quality. It's shedding. Too annoying, I think. But many of you told me about the hairspray trick, so I'm going to try that because I still have a few bushels left. So nothing new, but I think the berries and the eggs are still a great deal for $1.25. I've used these in my wreaths and swags before, and they present really nice and they're good quality. I often get my greenery at the Dollar Tree as well. My favorite has to be this type of foliage. It's really nice quality and it's a great substitute for the carrots. It makes it look so natural. You've seen me use it over the years and I highly recommend it. Another favorite are the spring branches. You would find them to the side of the flower aisle in little buckets like that. And you can find forsythia, cherry blossom, sometimes large pussy willow branches. I think they're definitely worth the $1.25. So that's the drooping flower. It's like a wisteria. It's really nice and long. It's so pretty. I've used it in my arrangements before, as you recall. Another must-have from the Dollar Tree are their pots or planters, especially during the spring season. $1.25, it's worth it. These are some of the newer ones. We used many of them for flower arrangements, and it's definitely a good deal. If you go to a craft store, you would spend much more. They offer wide variety now and colors and types for spring season. Definitely check them out. The new ones are the jars with the plaid. Well, if you have jars at home that you can recycle from your pickles, I don't think it's worth it, but if you don't, you can buy that. My favorite aisle during springtime is, of course, the garden aisle. You can find so many treasures there, like these new garden signs now. Definitely worth it. Last year's favorites, the Pat Haggers, are back. They're so cute, nice quality ceramic embellishments for your creations. For just $1.25 is a steal. They would cost double, triple in a craft store. So definitely get them now because you know they won't last. I was very excited to see for the first time at a Dollar Tree the self-watering globes for the planters. Walmart sells them for $2.28, so this is $1 cheaper. And you put them in your planter and supposedly it keeps your plant hydrated, especially when you travel. Please let me know if you have one of these already. Have you used it? Do you like it? Does it really work? I'm curious and I cannot wait to try it myself. Also comment and let me know if you love gardening. It's my therapy. I love it so much. And I have garden spring cleaning motivation video on my channel. It's an old video, but it's fun. If you want to check it out, I'll link below. I also grow a vegetable garden. You know, it's so rewarding and healthy, of course, for the entire family. And I wonder if any of you also grow your own garden. I would love to hear from you. Dollar Tree has come up with these adorable markers. You can use them in your garden to keep track of your planting. I think you can use them in your decor as well. They also have so many garden stakes. Look at that. These are definitely beautiful addition to your garden, but also to your wreaths and other DIYs. These are my favorite. I had to get all three, and what I love about them that they're metal and they withstand the weather conditions. A lot of exciting new items in the Easter craft supplies aisle. The wooden cutouts like the arrows, triple eggs, even a carrot shape. So many inexpensive DIY opportunities. I know you love these. Recently, I have upgraded the bunny bat and created this basket arrangement. So be on the lookout. Definitely worth your money. And even some old favorites like the chick or a basic shape like an egg, you can still create something amazing with it, like a lamb, for example. So many exciting new Easter decor pieces. I think the 2 buckets for the price of one is definitely a good deal. We can use it for decor. You can use it for gift baskets for the kids. What else? The silicone molds. This is another good one. Not necessarily for baking. You could use it to make jello for the kids. You can use it for your fake baking. It's a similar shape to the peeps, so you can make that out of the modeling clay. Another new item are these basket baddies. You have already cut out felt shapes and stickers that you can use to decorate not only your basket, but really any Easter crafts. When it comes to the little chicks, bunnies, even bunny ears, unfortunately, it's no longer worth getting them at a Dollar Tree. You can find them cheaper at Target, Walmart. Especially if you're buying multiples of these, you can save a lot of money. The large bunny containers are back. I think they still worth it because they're large. A couple years ago, we made this big outdoor planter, and I'm happy to see that people are still recreating it. So be on the lookout if you still want to make it. The large foam eggs are back. I think they're still worth it. I haven't found them cheaper anywhere else. These are some of my favorite speckled eggs, and I was happy to see the new garland with the smaller eggs. I used to make them myself, but now to have them available in variety of sizes is just great, and I think it's a good value. Egg pigs, of course, they're great to have too, to add them to your wreaths and centerpieces. They also have little foam craft eggs. These are also good to decoupage and stuff like that. And same goes for this Easter bunny. I think it's cute and it's a pretty nice size. New larger carrots at the Dollar Tree this year for $1.25, and also these battle brush carrots. So on trend right now. I'm so excited to see them at the Dollar Tree. For comparison, Target has 3 for $5, so this is still a much better deal. Another amazing new find are the pigs at the Dollar Tree. You had seen these little cute bunny bats. I shared them in my previous video, but now I was able to find the bunny feet as well. How cute are these? 2 for the price of 1. Amazing. You can get them in pink and blue. I wonder if they have any other colors. Please share with me, let me know. But again, possibilities are endless here. While at it, don't forget to pick up this large pack of pompons. They make not only great bunny tails, but also noses for the gnomies, right? You had seen this makeover before. Or snowballs for winter, right? Trims and ribbons is still a good deal at the Dollar Tree, and I'm so excited to see a lot more colors of the pompon trim. We had seen them in red and green and white for the winter, pink for Valentine's, and now even more pastel colors. Compatible pompon trim at Hobby Lobby is more than double the price, so this is a good deal. Stock up while they have it. I was also happy to see more colors of the gingham ribbon. We could use these throughout the year. 3 yards for $1.25 is a bit much because you can find this ribbon at Walmart for 98 cents. Like this one, for example, is a Walmart brand. Last year I got it there cheaper than this year here. The trim ribbon is usually more expensive. I'm happy to see all these colors at a Dollar Tree, so I stocked up. Lately, I've been noticing Walmart brand ribbon at the Dollar Tree, but it's not a good deal. At first, I was excited to see this beautiful blue track print, but when you look closely, it's very thin and it's only 6 feet, so even 3 feet shorter than standard Dollar Tree ribbon. Don't get it. But I went back to Dollar Tree and jackpot! Look what I found. You see all these new patterns? I was so happy, jumping for joy. Who else can relate? I know we have some ribbon addicts in here. Look at this little blue track ribbon. It's beautiful, and it's definitely worth getting because you get 9 feet as usual. It's the Crafter Square brand. You also get coordinating gingham, And how cute are these carrots? Oh my goodness. You know I'm obsessed with carrots, right? And as a matter of fact, I have a little blue track wreath tutorial on my channel. These ribbons are made for it. I also picked this color burlap ribbon because it's really nice, thick quality, worth the $1.25, and we could use these throughout the year. All of these ribbons are great. I was also surprised to see St. Patrick's ribbon at the Dollar Tree. This is the first time I ever seen it. It's late, I'm disappointed, but look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, I wish they came up with this earlier, but I'm gonna save them for next year. I'm happy to share with you more new colors of the snowball mesh at the Dollar Tree. As you know, this is my favorite mesh, the only one I recommend buying there because it doesn't fray. This is the mesh we use to make flower wreaths, for example. I had shared with you my original creations, step-by-step tutorials, how to make a flower wreath on the budget for just a fraction of the cost that others make it. So I'm happy to see all these new beautiful colors, and this just opens up even more opportunities for us. I'm very excited to see all these new fabric patterns at the Dollar Tree. At $1.25 a piece, it's still a better deal than Walmart or Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and we can make a lot of pretty DIYs with all these beautiful patterns and colors, and I just cannot wait, not just for spring, but summer and through the fall too. Dollar Tree even has some suggestions for us. For the first time ever, I see that they're selling the sewing patterns. You know, I don't sew, but I'm sure somebody will be interested here and would know better if this is a good deal. I think it's pretty cool that it's available to us. Also, Dollar Tree has a new felt. I don't know if you had seen it. 8 sheets for $1.25. It is a good deal, and I've used it already a few times in my projects. Some other exciting new finds are the spring napkins at the Dollar Tree. I'm loving all the new colors and patterns, especially the bicycle basket full of flowers. How gorgeous is that? I can definitely see it on the jumbo eggs that we made last year, or actually any other decoupaging projects with the Dollar Tree foam shapes. So $1.25 for a pack, I think it's still worth your money. And as I shared these rhinestone stickers with you in my last video, I think they're a great deal and such a cute addition to your DIYs. The little blink blink tiara was just what that bunny needed, and it was a cherry on top in my wreath design. And now I saved the best for last. You know how I encourage you to look beyond the craft aisle for your supplies? Well, this one was in the bathroom section. Lollipop sponges. Aren't they adorable? They look just like the picks you could use in your wreath designs or centerpieces. If you go to Craft Outlet, you would have to spend over $6 for one. Get them at a Dollar Tree. It's probably cheaper than cost of the supplies if you wanted to DIY them. So my favorite find of the day for sure. Lastly, I want to share with you my tip, how I handle the new price increase. I used to spend on average $50. Can I spend $60 to $50 now? No, I cannot. So what I do before going to the cash register, I sort through my basket and I throw out every fourth item because you know you really don't need all that stuff, right? So I still wind up spending the same amount of money I normally would, and it makes me feel better. I hope it helps you too.
So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what are some of your favorite finds and maybe something that I haven't found. Please share with me. Thanks so much. See you in the next video. Excuse me. Take care. Bye.